Continuing our work with the clamp set, now that we've modeled some simpler parts of the set, we'll model its spindle. If you haven't seen the geometries we've already drawn, you can catch up by checking out our last video. We're going to start by opening a new part and activating the YZ plane. Habilitate the multiple lines command, as we're drawing half of the geometry. We're adding a value of 3 on the y-axis and 4 on the x-axis from the origin point. The diameter is going to be bigger, so we'll up the line with a width of 1 and a length of 2. From here, we're making the corner straight without a chamfer, okay? Now we'll close the geometry, confirm the dimensions, and finish the sketch. Habilitating the revolve command, we're going to select the rotation axis of that part and any other line of the geometry. Click on OK and finish the operation. Now we're moving on to the hole where the handle will be attached to the assembling. For that, we'll first be habilitating the YZ plane, selecting Create Sketch Section to create a sketch in the middle of the part as if it was cut in half. Habilitate the command Arc Circle and make the option Relative Point active. We're selecting any of the 4 edges as a reference. As the hole will be centered, it doesn't really matter which of the edges you choose. On the lateral distance to the center of the circle on the x-axis, we're inputting 6. On the y-axis, it'll be 7.5. And last but not least, as the radius, 3.25. Keep the sketch active and habilitate the Extrude command because we'll select the Cut option to remove material from the part. We're activating Enable Direction 2. And we're adding a distance of 10 on both directions. Click OK and finish the operation. Now we're adding the chamfer on the end of the part, alright? Habilitate the chamfer command. We're inputting the same distances that we have on our PDF file, which is 2. We're then selecting the edge where the operation will be applied to. Click on OK and finish the command. As we usually do, we're altering the part's material to carbon steel on the Color and Material tab. Select the part we're modeling, select OK, and finish. And now we have our spindle ready to go. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.